we are making egg bites today because I buy these at Costco all the time, and I'm excited to make my own with my Instant Pot. So you guys are going to learn how to use an Instant Pot today if you don't already know, because I know there's quite a few who own one but have never actually used it. So it's time to get it out of the pantry and let's use this puppy. All right, so we're going to make egg bites for your family. This thing comes with a little egg bite maker from Instant Pot. Found this at Walmart, but you can get these online at Amazon. You can even get a 2-stack option. And I just got a basic recipe online, so I'm going to be posting it later. We did tweak it a little bit to our liking and to the things that I have in my own fridge. So I have ham. We're going to use about 3/4 cup to a cup of ham, whatever can fit in the bottom of those. I have a 1/4 cup of feta cheese, 3/4 cup of cottage cheese. I got the 2% milk fat. And then just some vegetables I have in the fridge. So whatever you like in an omelet will taste great in these egg bites. So we're just using spinach and kale and cut it up into small little bits. So you can see that the spinach and bell pepper were used in these, and they truly do make a yummy egg bite. Now my recipe with 4 eggs and all the things that you see here ends up being 117 calories per one egg bite, 8 grams of fat, 2 grams of carbs, and 13 grams of protein. So that's pretty good, right? All right, let's get to making this. Do this on steam function. Oh, looks like I need to reset it. For 8 minutes, and you just set it and go. That's it. You just add the water, put the top on, steam, set the timer up or down for 8 minutes. We're gonna let that do its thing. Afterwards, we're going to let it rest for 10 minutes and then take it out, and that'll be it. Oh, all right. Well, at 10 minutes after it's stopped cooking, because it was an 8-minute cooking time, now we 10-minute resting, we're ready to quick release. So you're going to use something long so you don't burn your hand, because you don't want to. Oh, it looks like it's ready to go, because there would be steam pouring out of there right now if it needed to still release steam, because this is, after all, a pressure cooker, so you don't want to ever remove this without releasing the pressure. So now I can remove it and take the top off. If you come over here, you can see our little egg bites. Look pretty good. Now, how do we get them out of here safely? Sometimes you can use tin foil around there and pull it out. I don't have that, so I'm just going to be careful. I'll lift this off. You can see our egg bites turned out pretty darn tasty looking. Now they're time to be popped out, so we're just going to flip it upside down and give it a gentle shake. Oh, a couple more. There we go. Beautiful little egg bite. So cute. Ready to be eaten. we are going to vacuum seal these because we want to make sure that they are similar to the packaging. Oh, here. We're going to vacuum seal these because we want to make sure it's similar to packaging like this, that you could throw it in the freezer if you wanted to, or you could eat it right away right now, or save it for later, throw it in the kids' lunches, have it for breakfast whenever. So vacuum sealing is the next step. Okay, so now we're ready to take the egg bites and put them in a vacuum seal bag. Now you could just put them in a regular Ziploc baggie, but I think that if you're gonna save these for the long term or put them in the freezer, or you just feel like, now these will last for up to a week in your fridge in a regular Ziploc bag, but this is just gonna help preserve the life a little bit longer. And it's kind of like you just bought it at the store. Alright, it's time to take this out of the refrigerator. We had vacuum sealed it earlier and we're going to test it out. So, the ultimate test. Isn't this awesome? You can throw this in your kids' lunch very easily, or you yourself can grab it out of the